Hey folks, made a little progress on the Sno Jet here. I got the front bumper off. That came off nicely. They used nylock nuts, 7/16 to hold it on. Excuse me. And I still have to make another clip like this. But I've got something to model after here, so that shouldn't be a problem. And I got my old straps off, and I got the little pop rivets here, and we'll get some new pop rivets and rivet that back on to the spot where it was here, and be able to put both sides on. There's the other side there. Get that all set. And I showed my tank before. That's in. I do have to figure out, when I went to pull the seat out, one of the bolts from the captured nut here came out just fine right there. The other one tore out the wood, and this piece of this piece of wood right here, and that's all. I think what I'm going to do, there's the still in there, the slot there. I think what I'm going to do is fabricate some sort of strap to go across the bottom of the wood there, screw it, and then have it captured nuts go down in on that. Just take a piece of steel and weld a couple nuts to the back side of it, and then screw that strap with the welded on nuts to the bottom side of the wood there, and then have bolts that come up in the original locations there. So just one more thing I gotta work on, and I'm making some progress here on the hood. Sanded down the first coat of body filler I put on there and get it smoothed off, and I'll probably lay some more primer on there and see where my high and low spots are, and just keep kind of plugging away at this. This is going to be a kind of a slow project. I'm not too concerned about it. I'm not going to be riding the snowmobile anymore this year, so thusly, this is all for next winter that we're doing this, and so we're going to just keep plugging away here and see what we can do with this. Okay, I got my strap screwed down. I got the bolts captured. The nuts are welded on the back side there. I got a couple of bolts here that are lined up with the slots back here. So I can go ahead and put this back in and call it a night, I think. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of all this. I'll show you the finished product here in a couple seconds. And there it is, all bolted up. Thanks for watching. Take care. Talk to you soon. I had just a little bit of brown primer left, and actually not enough to even finish the job, but got it back. Another coat there. I can still see some rough stuff that I got to fill in and get some smoothing done. But it's coming. It's not looking too bad. It's a little fatter out in through here than the other side, but that's where it was broke apart pretty good, and that's where I had to lay in a lot of fiberglass. So hopefully that'll I'm sure we'll be able to get it smoothed out and get the colors on there that we need. Okay, got the first one on, and got my pop rivets that I needed, and we'll take this over and put the other one on, and we've got the other side put in. Got the new pop rivets there, got them right there, those two. Yeah, back up a little. There you go. Strap and the bracket. And we're all set for the hood. That one, got that one. Well, it's just a matter of getting back onto the hood. I got lay a little more putty, do a little more sanding, and maybe a little more priming, and see what happens. Well, there you have it. My hood hold downs are, the new hood hold downs are in place and ready to go. Bumpers all bolted back on. I got a new bracket right there that I made to keep the hood in position. And I think we are making some progress. Tomorrow it's going to be above 60 degrees, so I think I'm going to just take it out and give it a good scrub down. Excuse me. Try and get some of the dirt off of it. Talk to you soon. Thanks.